Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to allow Facebook access to photos on your Android phone, step by step. First, go to the Settings menu. This is where all of your device options and controls are located. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Apps or Applications, then tap on it to open the full list of installed apps on your phone. Next, scroll through the apps list and locate the Facebook app. When you see it, tap on Facebook to open the app info page where you can manage storage, data usage, notifications, and permissions. Now look for the permissions option and tap on it. This section controls what Facebook is allowed to access on your device. From here, find and select photos and videos or media. You'll see several permission options such as allow, don't allow, or ask every time. Choose allow to give Facebook access to your photos. This will let you upload pictures, share memories, update your profile photo, and post images without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful Android tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.